Hello there, I am KX90. This is the introduction to Hoverbit adjusting the sail. Sometimes the sail doesn't line up correctly towards the servo, and because of that you have to adjust it. First of all, you need to put the hand controller in a horizontal position. Make sure that both the hand controller and Hoverbit are turned on. Then you need to lift the servo horn a couple of millimeters. Rotate it so that the sail points backwards. Fasten the servo horn onto the servo, and that's it. When you turn on the Hoverbit the next time, the sail should be in a perfect angle straight backwards from the servo. This is all you have to do if by some reason the sail doesn't behave like it should. You can also screw the servo horn onto the servo, which is recommended. This way the servo horn can't jump off the servo. Remove the top engine, propeller, the wooden wedge, the sail and battery. The screw you need to do this is inside this plastic bag. It is the small one you need. Then simply screw it onto the servo horn and this will do the trick. Reassemble everything back as it was if you do it like this, though I would recommend to do this when you build the Hoverbit the first time. Thanks for watching, I am KX90, see you later.